at some point.
Yeah. It's kind of cool to get in right out on that thing.
Water's probably too hot.
Yeah.
What are you drinking?
A little bit.
He's slurping.
Huh. Is there two of them there?
Hell no.
Yeah, you say, but
They won't let.
Huh.
yeah, it's too hot, doesn't it? Usually dip in there and drink it for a while.
It probably is as hot as it is outside today.
Huh.
That's crazy, though.
That's chilling.
They're even cooler to watch since they purge.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can see them actually stop.
Mm-hmm. I won't be able to put cold water in it. He's drinking,
I was gonna say, it doesn't seem to care.
Yeah.
It's probably the one that the other one chases off. He's probably nervous that one's
Yeah.
going to fly up on him and chase him off.
I was usually here by now. I might be the one chasing them all off. Usually the one's guard that chases the
Like
rest of
chases
them off.
any, yeah.
Mike Neely, he had one, he said that one always chased them all off, so he said he blasted that one. But then another one just
Yeah, I was gonna
Yeah.
say, yeah.
Just like alpha dogs.
Yeah. What's that? One time over there at Adam's house, I walked out, and there would always be fucking crows around there. Like, to the point
Oh,
where I was
yeah.
like, I was ready to call it, like, somebody in the city to come shoot these things.
They won't do nothing.
But, like,
He
I
said
looked
he
over
shot
one
that
day.
skunk at one time.
Yeah, they came and got the skunk, because it was a skunk, you know. But, like, I looked over at the crows one time, I seen them all, like, going nuts, and I looked, and there's a freaking groundhog. And he's, like, just perched down real low, and he's just staring at, like, 4 or 5 of them sitting in a group of crows. And there's all the crows are staring at him. The groundhog's just, like, slowly backing off.
Huh.
And then there's, like, one crow would, like, just jump forward like he's, like, the leader of them. And fucking the groundhog just sit there. And then just be staring, and it lasted for like 30 seconds, and finally like, he backed up to the top of the hill of the riverbank, and it jumped over the riverbank. And as soon as he did, all the crows flew off, except for that one that was acting like the leader, and he sat there and he was kind of like, yeah. For like 2 extra seconds, and then he flew off real slow. Like, that was weird. It's like an interspecies battle.
Yeah, buddy, I'd kick your ass.
Yeah, this is so weird. Like, that murder atrocious harassed the groundhog.
See, they stay a lot longer since they can purge.
They fucked with an owl, too.
Very much.